good morning from Sofia, Bulgaria. Today we are going on the free walking tour here in Sofia. Definitely gonna see a lot of great sights. I'm finally gonna see the city that I've been in for multiple days now, and it's gonna be great, so come along.
The first settlements here date from about 6,000 years ago. The first written signs about the city are from the year 29 after Christ, when the Romans came here. So when the Romans came in this area, they saw here living the Thracians.
Sofia is the capital and largest city in Bulgaria. The city has changed hands many times, from the earliest Thracians to the formation of ancient Serdica and beyond. The remains of Serdica can still be seen in the city in excavated sites. We ended our tour at the city's most recognizable icon, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This cathedral is the largest in the Balkans, and it was created in honor of the Russian soldiers who died during the Russo-Turkish War. This war resulted in Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule.
We're back at it again with the crepes or the pancakes. You want to say hello?
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Video.
Okay, so please guys don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. It's Italy, do you have anything to say?
After our lunch, we headed to the Red Flat. Located in a still inhabited apartment building, the Red Flat is a unique and immersive museum that takes you back in time to communist Bulgaria of the 1980s. The home belongs to a fictional family that is supposed to represent the average Bulgarian community during this time. Visitors listen to stories by each of the family members in an audio guide and are invited to interact with the exhibit, open drawers, read letters, listen to the radio, even try the Turkish delights sitting on the table for guests. The more you explore the home, the more you get a feel for how life was like during this time.
Върнете до изходите да рече. Хората с левия крак, почнете. Едно, две.
So we just finished over at the Red Flat, and it was such a really unique experience. The concept of an interactive museum like that, where everything you can touch, you can look at, it had so much history to it, and everything felt so normal too, as if I was in someone's home. It was really an interesting experience. The tickets were only 18 leva, which is like €9, and it took about 2 hours to do, and I definitely recommend going.
I definitely would recommend the Red Flat as well. It was a very welcoming feeling. Everyone has a different experience in there, but we were having the same records, and for me in particular, as a German, I could read something, and there was a story from a guy who was abroad in Berlin, and the story began with a but. So I wanted to read more, I wanted to get more into the story from the people. It was very welcoming, so I recommend it.
10 out of 10. Would recommend. 10 out of 10. Alright, so quick update. So, first of all, met Christian, wait, come back! Come back! You have to say hello! You've already been a part of this. I met up with some people. Remember Connor from the train? Yeah, he's here. We are on our way to the giant cathedral for the Easter Mass. Tomorrow is the Orthodox Easter, and apparently they're doing some big like candlelight thing that we are going to go be a part of. Happy Easter, y'all!
In an annual Easter ritual sacred to Orthodox Christians, the Holy Fire is brought from Jerusalem on Great Saturday. The flame is considered a miracle and is a key part of the Orthodox Easter celebrations. After it arrives from Jerusalem, the Holy Fire is distributed to churches throughout the country in time for late-night services. You want to say hi?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Hi!
What's the
The ceremony started around 11 p.m., and although we couldn't understand a word of what was said, it was interesting to take part in. The Bulgarian president was there, as well as other important figures. The worshippers lit each other's candles from the holy fire, and as the bells tolled all around us, we walked around the church 3 times before they all took their flames home.
Good morning. Today is my last day here in Bulgaria. I am just getting some stuff done, getting some errands ran, and trying to get rid of the last of my Bulgarian money before it is time to get on a train. No, not a train, a bus. Taking my first bus in the Eastern Europe. Taking a bus to Thessaloniki, Greece today. The bus doesn't leave until 4:30, so I'm gonna get some stuff done and hang around the hostel, and that'll be it for Bulgaria. Okay, so the first step of the day, I am going to want some new clothes for Greece. I've been thinking about it a lot, and the weather looks like it's going to be a little bit better, and I want some springtime clothes. I'm sick of sweaters and everything. I will still need sweaters while I am in Scotland, but I do want to try to see if I can find a few things. So I'm in H&M right now. Gonna try on a few things and see if I can find anything that can fit into my backpack and my wardrobe. Nothing too crazy. It still needs to be able to fit the like color palette that I have, but maybe get something a little bit more, you know, beachy themed. That would be great. Maybe a swimsuit, but I haven't decided on that yet. So I got myself a pair of shorts and a swimsuit. Hopefully it will be cool or warm enough that I can actually wear these things at some point during this trip, but it's good to have something new. I'm excited about it. Bye, hostel mastel. So we are at the bus station, and there is nothing to do here this time of day, for sure. There's some shops and things, but they're all closed. Here's hoping I don't have to pay for the next 6 hours, right? The bus should be here in about 15 minutes, and it's gonna take about 6 hours to get to Thessaloniki from here. At some point we're gonna do the whole border control thing and all of that as well. Okay, I'm hopping on really quickly because I just want to tell you the story that just happened. This girl came up to me. She's Bulgarian. She didn't speak English. I didn't speak Bulgarian, obviously. She needed to find her German friend. She was asking me to use my phone. I have minutes left, so I went ahead and I let her use my phone. And she was so sweet. We talked for a little while, and she wanted to buy me water or like something to eat, and I was like, no, I'm fine. And then she helped me make sure that I was in the right spot. And she gave me a hat. She really wanted to give me something, so she gave me a hat. It was very nice of her. Yeah, just thought I'd share.
That's it for this episode and my time here in Bulgaria. The culture here already had a place in my heart, and now that place has grown even bigger. I'm so happy I have memories and experiences here to call my own. Even still, I feel like I barely scratched the surface with Bulgaria and would love to come back to explore it even further one day. Be sure to tune in next time as I travel from Sofia to Thessaloniki, Greece. Thanks for watching!